What's up, keepers? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video, you all. This is Vlogmas Day 3, and this video is a little bit different. This is a clean with me video, and I just wanted to be transparent here. I kept going back and forth on whether to post this or not, but as you guys know from before, while I was sick, I had no energy to do anything, and one of the things was the condition of my room. I wasn't able to clean it. Now, my mom has been such a big help, but when it came to my bedroom, I'm pretty particular, and I had asked for it not to be clean because I wanted to do this myself. Now, this is me showing you guys the state of my room. If you guys seen my dresser in the previous clip, this is how my bookshelf is looking and my vanity desk. Like, my makeup station was a mess, and it just got to that point. I feel like I want us to normalize these conditions and states because it's never going to be permanent. It's never going to be something that's ongoing. And this is me finally having the strength to get up and tidy my room. Honestly, like, because I was so weak, I wasn't able to keep up with my room. And this is how my dresser and the state of it was. And I'm okay to show this side of me because it's never gonna be clean and tidy every single time, especially when you're sick. So as soon as you notice that it is and you have the energy, it's okay. And I want us to normalize that, whether it be due to health, mental health, a disability. There's gonna be times where we're not able to do what we're capable of doing, which is upkeeping our bedroom. So this is me just putting everything back and just showing you guys a side where I kind of feel weak, but I know I'm not the only one dealing with something like this. But this is me just putting my lotions and everything on my turntable, and it just kept moving and it was bothering me. Like, you can see I was getting frustrated because I didn't know how to organize my dresser, to be honest. But here I am just worshiping and just praising because something about gospel music. So here I am just cleaning off my bookshelf. Now, I had to disinfect everything. Like, I think I'm using Lysol here, but I had to disinfect everything in my bedroom because, hey, I've been living in a room where I was so sick, so I'm coughing, sneezing, everything, everywhere. So this is me just wiping everything down, taking everything out of the bookcase, and just making sure I'm wiping things down thoroughly. How did it get this bad? All right, so now I've moved on to my vanity, and if you guys heard in my previous clip, how did it get this bad? I don't know, but it's so crazy that literally sometimes when you're not ill, you really take for granted just your ability to move around and just do things that you're normally used to doing. Now, it's just so crazy to me that my vanity got this bad, and once upon a time I'll be able to clean this every single day, but I wasn't this time. So that was me just prep talking myself, like, okay, it's okay, you got this. So this is me cleaning and reorganizing everything on my vanity table. So this is the progress. Okay, it's looking real clean and tidy now. Like, I was so proud of myself at this moment because I'm loving what I'm seeing, but I'm not yet done. But this was a moment. This was a moment. So now I'm showing you some of the things that have been left lying around. Now in September, I went to the DMV because my good friend was proposing to his girlfriend at the time, and I still haven't really unpacked from that. So that's literally been sitting there as well. So this is me just reorganizing and putting things in my laundry hamper because it all needs to get washed. And then now I'm clearing off my bedroom. You guys can see, like, a whole bunch of electronics were still on my bed, and I had some laundry that had been sitting in a plastic bag because I haven't folded it yet. And these are all clean clothes that I washed during the week that I'm now coming to fold. Like, I have a mountain of clothes.
You made possible, Jesus, anyone can come to what was impossible. You made possible, Jesus, what the lawyers took, what was impossible. You made possible, Jesus,
Listen, that previous clip speaks for itself. I've been praising and worshiping with that song while I was recovering, and honestly, it's really been touching my heart, and like, it just speaks to me. So me dancing to that song is really a testimony because I'm able to move. And like, once again, it's just so crazy how easily you can take just being able to move around for granted, being able to walk, being able to breathe easily for granted. Like, listen, when I tell you my chest was so tight every time I tried to take a breath, it was crazy. So the fact that I'm able to do it, like, God, he's really done it again. So now I folded all my clothes and put in my dresser, and I'm now setting my bed. Now this, like, I don't even know the material, but this cashmere, or I don't know, anybody that has these type of blankets, I actually purchased it from Costco. It is so soft. You guys, if you use that to set your bed, OMG, you will knock out instantly. Instantly. And then last but not least, a clean room is not really clean until you light a candle. So I went ahead and lit my Cultivate candle in the scent Valiant, and I love this candle so much. This is my favorite candle now. I went ahead and trimmed off the wick and light it. And once you light a candle after you clean, that's girl math to me. The place is not clean until you light a candle. Girl math. I'm going to leave the link of the candle down below so you can make your purchase. And you guys, I'm done. My room is tidy and clean and smells amazing thanks to Cultivate candle. And this is me just showing off how proud I am. I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.